Welcome. If you're looking to delete the custom title of a group admin in your Telegram group using the PC app after the latest update, you're in the right place. Whether you want a cleaner look for your admin list or just want to remove an old title, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process quickly and easily. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in and ready to manage your group. Next, from your chat list, find and open the group where you have owner rights. Only group owners can edit or remove admin titles, so double-check that you have the necessary permissions before moving forward. Once inside the group, look for the three dots icon at the top right corner of the screen. Click on these three dots to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Manage Group. This will take you to the group's management settings, where you can control various aspects of your group. Inside the management panel, find and click on Administrators. Here, you'll see a list of all the current admins in your group. Find the admin whose title you want to delete, and click on their name to open their admin settings. Now, you'll see a field labeled Custom Title. If there's a title already set, simply delete the text in this field so it's completely empty. This will remove the custom title from showing up next to the admin's name in the group chat and member list. After you've cleared the custom title field, make sure to click Save to confirm your changes. The admin will now appear without any custom title, and the update will be reflected instantly for all group members. And that's it. You've successfully removed the custom admin title in your Telegram group on PC. This simple process helps keep your group organized and your admin list tidy. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more tips on managing your Telegram groups efficiently. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.